Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a mouth-watering dish, stir-fried lotus root with chili sauce. Let's jump right in. To begin, make sure your lotus root is pristine. Give it a good cleaning, peel away the outer skin and slice it into delicate thin pieces. A quick tip, soak these slices briefly in clean water to remove any excess starch. Next, we'll blanch our lotus root. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then gently blanch the slices. No need to overdo it, just blanch until the water comes to life again. Once done, cool them down in a bath of cold water and let them drain. Now, let's prep our aromatic theme. Slice up some fresh garlic, cut those scallions using both the white and green parts, and finely chop that green part. Thinly slice some ginger and add some vibrant green bell pepper slices to the mix. Heat up your trusty pan and add a touch of oil. When it's about 70% hot, toss in those hand-torn dried red chili peppers. Stir fry until you catch that irresistible aroma, then introduce the ginger, garlic, and scallion slices to the sizzling party. Here's where the magic happens. Add chili bean sauce. Keep stirring until the oil takes on a beautiful red hue. Now, bring back our blanched lotus root slices. Mix them in and then add light soy sauce, a hint of white sugar, and a pinch of salt. Keep the stir-fry dance going for about 2 minutes. Toss in those green bell pepper slices and make sure every piece is coated with that rich flavor sauce. Right before you take it off the heat, sprinkle on some freshly chopped green scallions and toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, our stir-fried lotus root with chili sauce is ready to grace your taste buds. I encourage you to try out this recipe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.